If you've ever felt like your money just disappears and you're left wondering where it all went, this video is for you. We're diving into practical, proven ways to stop spending money on unnecessary things, and more importantly, how to turn those savings into real wealth. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. By the end of this guide, you'll not only know how to cut out wasteful spending, but also how to use your money to build a future you're proud of. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start making meaningful changes, hit that subscribe button now and stay with us until the end. You won't regret it. Welcome to the Midas Touch. Subscribe to our channel and watch other videos to learn how to build wealth and get closer to the life you've always dreamed. Embrace the no-buy challenge. The no-buy challenge isn't just about saving money. It's a mindset shift that teaches discipline and reframes how you view spending. By committing to avoid all non-essential purchases for a specific period, you not only save money, but also gain clarity on what truly matters. This challenge forces you to question every purchase. Do I really need this? Start small, like a 1-month challenge, and gradually extend it. Use the time to focus on financial goals or hobbies that don't require spending, such as reading, exercising, or cooking at home. The goal is not deprivation, but awareness, understanding your spending habits and breaking the cycle of impulsive buying. With every unnecessary purchase avoided, you're closer to financial freedom and a simplified, more intentional lifestyle. Define essential spending. Before you can curb unnecessary spending, you need to define what essential means to you. Essentials are the non-negotiables that support your basic needs and long-term goals. For most, this includes housing, groceries, utilities, transportation, and basic healthcare. But essentials can also vary based on your lifestyle. Maybe you need tools for work or childcare expenses. Take time to write a detailed list of what's truly essential and compare it to your current spending. Are there items you've been labeling as needs that are actually wants? This clarity is crucial for sticking to a no-buy challenge and redirecting funds toward meaningful goals. When you know exactly what you need, it's easier to resist the pull of impulse purchases that offer short-term gratification but no real value. Plan for replacements. Life happens, shoes wear out, appliances break, and some items need replacing. But here's the trick. Plan for these replacements in advance so they don't derail your savings efforts. Start by taking inventory of your belongings. Identify items that are nearing the end of their lifespan and create a budget for quality replacements when the time comes. For example, instead of buying cheap shoes that need constant replacing, invest in durable, high-quality ones that last longer. Planning for replacements also prevents emotional spending when something suddenly breaks. It's not about hoarding backups. It's about being proactive and prepared. This strategy helps you stay disciplined while ensuring your essentials are covered without guilt or overspending. Avoid non-essential purchases. Impulse buying is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom, and avoiding non-essential purchases requires intentionality. Start by identifying your spending triggers, whether it's scrolling through online stores, walking through the mall, or simply boredom. Make a list of items you absolutely won't buy during your challenge, such as luxury goods, dining out, or subscriptions you don't fully use. To make it easier, unsubscribe from promotional emails, delete shopping apps, and set up reminders of your financial goals. The key is to create barriers between you and impulsive decisions. Over time, you'll notice that you don't miss those unnecessary items, and the money saved can be put toward things that truly matter, like investments or debt repayment. Discipline in this area can be life-changing. Set a realistic time frame. Every successful challenge starts with a clear and realistic time frame. A no-buy challenge doesn't have to be a year-long commitment to make an impact. It could be as short as 30 days. The key is to choose a duration that feels achievable, but also pushes you outside your comfort zone. For beginners, starting with a month allows you to test the waters and build momentum. For more experienced savers, a 6-month or year-long challenge can provide profound financial and psychological benefits. By setting a realistic time frame, you give yourself a structured goal to work toward. Plus, knowing there's an end date makes it easier to stick to your plan. Remember, this isn't just about saving money. It's about learning discipline and gaining control over your financial future. Track spending habits. Before you can effectively stop spending on unnecessary things, you need to know where your money is going. Tracking your spending isn't just about numbers, it's about gaining insight into your habits and triggers. Use tools like budgeting apps or even a simple spreadsheet to record every expense for a month. Identify patterns. Are you spending too much on takeout? Are impulse purchases at your favorite store eating away at your savings? Once you've established a baseline, you can make informed decisions about where to cut back. This process also helps you feel more in control of your finances. When you see exactly how much you're spending on non-essentials, the motivation to save becomes much stronger. Awareness is the first step toward meaningful change. Implement and commit. Starting a spending challenge is easy, but sticking to it requires commitment and a clear plan. Begin by setting rules for yourself. What counts as essential, what items you'll allow for replacement, and what you'll completely avoid. Share your challenge with a trusted friend or family member who can help hold you accountable. To stay motivated, remind yourself daily of why you're doing this, whether it's to pay off debt, save for a big goal, or simply gain financial freedom. Discipline is key, but so is flexibility. If something unexpected arises, adapt your plan rather than abandoning it entirely. Remember, every small win builds momentum, and the longer you stick to the challenge, the more natural it will feel. By implementing with intention and committing fully, you'll turn this challenge into a life-changing habit. Monitor savings. One of the most rewarding aspects of a no-buy challenge is seeing your savings grow. At the start of the challenge, calculate your average monthly spending and set a savings goal. Each month, compare your actual expenses to this baseline and track the difference. Watching your savings account, a balance increase, is incredibly motivating and reinforces the value of your efforts. Use visuals like graphs or charts to make your progress tangible. It's satisfying to see the results of your discipline. Beyond motivation, monitoring your savings also helps you identify additional areas for improvement. For example, if you notice small leaks in your budget, you can address them and save even more. Remember, the goal isn't just to save, it's to build a habit of mindful spending that leads to long-term wealth. Understand your why. Why are you doing this challenge? Without a clear purpose, it's easy to lose motivation when temptation strikes. Take time to reflect on your goals. Are you saving to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or invest in your future? Maybe it's about reducing financial stress or gaining more freedom in your life. Whatever your why is, write it down and revisit it regularly. This purpose will anchor you during moments of doubt and keep you focused on the bigger picture. A strong why transforms the challenge from a restrictive exercise into an empowering journey. It reminds you that every small sacrifice now is a step toward a greater reward. Your why is your compass. Use it to navigate the challenges and stay on course. The next step: what to do with your savings. Saving money is just the beginning. To truly build wealth, you need to make your money work for you. Start by creating an emergency fund. If you don't already have one, 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses is a good benchmark. Once that's in place, consider investing your savings in assets that grow over time, like index funds, real estate, or a retirement account. If investing feels intimidating, start small and educate yourself along the way. The power of compound interest means even modest investments can grow significantly over time. Additionally, you can use your savings to upskill, start a side hustle, or pursue opportunities that align with your long-term goals. The key is to move from passive saving to active wealth building. Saving is great, but investing is what truly transforms your financial future. By taking control of your spending and putting your savings to work, you're not just improving your finances, you're transforming your entire life. Which of these steps will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Together, we can all build the financial freedom we deserve. See you next time on The Midas Touch.